In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Upwork in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned freelancer or just getting started, knowing how to seamlessly withdraw your hard-earned funds is crucial. So let's dive in and go through each step together. First off, let's take a look at setting up Payoneer, which is completely free. Payoneer is a reliable platform that acts as an intermediary between Upwork and your bank account, making the withdrawal process smooth and secure. To get started, you'll need to sign up for a Payoneer account, which you can easily do online. Don't forget, you'll also need to verify your identity using a valid identification document like your passport or a BVN. Verification helps keep your account secure and speeds up the setup process. Once your Payoneer account is ready, the next step is to link it to your Upwork account. To do this, head over to the Upwork settings, navigate to the Get Paid section, and click on Payment Methods. Here, you'll find Payoneer listed as an option. Simply select it and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the linking process. Next, we're going to set up a Gray Finance account, which, just like Payoneer, is also free. Gray Finance offers you the flexibility of multi-currency management, perfect for freelancers dealing with international clients. Start by signing up for a Gray account. The setup is straightforward and typically takes less than an hour. Once your account is verified, you can create USD and GBP wallets. This gives you the benefit of managing multiple currencies without hassle. With your Gray account ready, the next move is to link it to Payoneer. Within your Payoneer account, go to the Withdraw section and choose Bank Transfer. This is where you'll need to add your Gray USD and GBP account details, including the IBAN and SWIFT codes. After entering these details, confirm the connection. Within a couple of hours, you should receive confirmation that your accounts are linked. Finally, let's get to the withdrawal process from Upwork. After completing work, you'll notice a 5-day security hold for funds sourced from new clients on Upwork. This is a protective measure to ensure transactions are legitimate. Once that period is over, you can transfer your funds to Payoneer, which incurs a small fee of $0.99. Then, from Payoneer, your funds are automatically sent to your Gray account, a process that usually takes less than 6 hours. Within your Gray app, you have the option to convert your funds to Naira, or if you prefer, spend the USD directly using your virtual card. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to efficiently withdrawing money from Upwork. Be sure to follow each step diligently to ensure your transactions are smooth and secure. Thanks for watching, and happy freelancing!